Hi everyone. So I made this closed loop conveyor system using Legos. Alrighty. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to send up a widget like this onto conveyor belt, which is going to go up. And it's going to drop down onto this conveyor. Let's swing around. So it's going to come out on that conveyor, come all the way down here, and then it's going to transfer over to this conveyor. And it's going to jump through that hatch, which comes down here, which goes all the way back to the cup. So my goal is here to get 3 through the system without fail. So without further ado, let's give it a go. Alright, widget 1 on its way, widget 2 on its way, and widget 3 on its way. Alright, let's see. Oh, there's one's already through. Seemed like one fell out. 2 landed in the cup. Alright. It happened so fast. So let's try it again. Here's widget 1, widget 2, widget 3. Alright, here it comes. 1 in the system, 1 in the cup, 2 in the cup, and number 3 in the cup. Sweet. That's what I'm talking about. Awesome. Let's just do one more. Alright. Whoops. He slipped out. 1 on its way, 2 on its way. Uh-oh, Houston, we have a problem. Looks like 1 got stuck. We're still good. We still got 3 for 3. So 1's on its way. It's coming down. It's in the cup. Oh, that one slipped out. 1 on its way. 2 on its way. And 3 on its way. Alright, let's see what happens. Alright, there's 1. Back in the cup. There's 2. In the cup. Alright, where's number 3? Where's number 3? Alright, number 3 went AWOL. Where did number 3 go? Oh, there it is. He's stuck. So, maybe we can try send the other 2. Maybe that'll help it out. Alright, send 1 on its way. Let's see if that helps it out. It's coming down. There's 2. In the cup. We'll just send 2 more. Uh-oh, it got stuck. Where did it get stuck? Oh, it got stuck underneath the conveyor. Alright, so I'm going to shoot for number 3. 3 for 3, and that's what we're going to go for. 3 for 3. Alright, here we go. 3 for 3, everybody. There's 1. There's 2. There's 3. Alright, let's see what happens. There's 1. In the cup. There's 2. There's 3. In the cup!